filming?
You could just go really slow, but then we just walk like 5 yards ahead.
I love that they've had to make that around.
I would cut it down.
It's in the way. The tree is in the way.
Make it seem like we didn't, cut shit down for it, huh?
That's cute. I don't know.
We just saved the oldest ones. I'm gonna keep looping your voice over top of it. Because what are you gonna do for the footage for 17 minutes? Now I'll probably put it to the day song, and then the night and then the wake up song.
Are you gonna this whole walk?
No, I'll cut clips out of it from this walk, from the other walk, scuba diving, snorkeling.
Did you take your GoPro down in your scuba diving?
Just the one that we did.
Yeah.
And which I really regretted because the second one was a lot more clear.
Oh.
And I saw.
Oh my god!
Oh,
Where is it?
Look, there.
That's me.
Sorry, guys.
Get on it.
I could have lived without seeing that.
That's cool.
Yeah, the second scuba dive I saw a stingray. I saw. I was able to touch coral.
Yeah.
Or like an enemy. And then like a lot more fish.
Yeah.
The
I
reef,
saw a
reef
stingray.
shark.
Oh, you saw a shark? Oh,
I
cool.
think so.
I saw a stingray when we were snorkeling. I think I saw more when we snorkeled.
Did you get it?
And then when we snorkeled, I didn't snorkel that trip. I snorkeled when we did the day sail, the wet Sundays.
Yeah.
I got some stuff there, not that great either. So I probably got about half an hour in footage. So that's my plan for because I get home for a weekend.
Yeah. You're gonna like edit it all.
Yeah.
You put it on
Sleep.
the grate.
Hmm?
You put it on the grate.
Yeah, when I'm done. I think Fenn's doing one too, but I'll be done mine before she's done her trip, so
Yeah.
Supposed to, yeah, so we get to show our families.
Yeah, I'll try to make it like 5 minutes. I have some shots of you guys snorkeling because we were behind you.
This is more jungly than before.
Are you happy now?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's more of what you were picturing.
Yeah, it's more what I thought. Pardon? Yeah, like more like a flying.
Maybe we see a snake now. What way do we go?
It's gonna be removed from.
Left. We were going left, weren't we? Might as well.
Oh, well, I'm sure it will lead up somewhere.
10 people
Only
in the
10 people in the fridge at one time. Why do they not have monkeys?
I don't know. I guess they just didn't get on the boat. You think eventually they would have. Globalization and whatnot, right? Kate explained it, but from what I understood is they just stayed in Asia.
Obviously there's not a lot of yeah, so like deep far in, like don't you just wanna watch like a documentary?
So if you were really adventurous, you could just wander off.
Yeah. No, I'd rather see it like a
Mhm.
This tree's probably at least 100 years old.
Oh god, yeah. Not more.
Me too.
Uh-oh, another crossroads. Oh, that's just a lookout point over there.
Sorry guys to look out. Look out over jungle.
Mm-hmm.
More jungle. Can't see much when you look out.
Some of these trees are going to be well old.
What owl?
Pigeon.
Hey guys.
Where was Janet? You Snapchat it all.
Oh, somebody got service.
Dad, am I going?
Huh. I would like that. So it's sunny here because it's Danish staying with flight from aka hurricane. And then it's way grassier because of the sun singing with the vines going up on the trees. So I have to look for cyclone today. Maybe. Yeah. I did not know that before.
Did you pay for your GoPro or someone buy it
I did.
before you came?
Yeah, in June. I only used it once.
It's tough if you're not doing like
Adventurous stuff.
yeah, then you're not really use it ever. I would have loved it, I just figured my friend is just amazing at photography and like putting film together. He's like gotten so famous through social media and he bunch of really famous DJs and stuff, like from the from their perspective of all the people like jumping on the ground and stuff. Like, I don't.
It's a
Have you ever
pretty-
heard of Tiger Lily?
It's a pretty sweet gig.
Yeah, have you ever heard of Tiger Lily?
Like the plant?
No, she's like a DJ.
No.
Oh, she's all over around here too. Anyway, I didn't think she was that famous or anything, but just like seeing her name everywhere now, and videos we filmed for her, stuff like that.
Like music videos?
Yeah, like she'll post them. And it's insane. He's only a year older than me, and it just started with just like a passion with like a GoPro. And then he's so good at editing and like things like that. That's what he does. So he's good at, he has like a huge camera and a drone and everything. Like he videotapes for so many people. He's done music videos. He's done wedding type things, like putting a bunch of good moments together. It's pretty cool.